It would mean everything to me if we could take a holiday. 'Cause when I'm bone tired every night isn't my favorite way. And even our smallest dreams suddenly never sees a brighter day. So it would mean everything to me.
Yes, yes! And the yes, hello! Now our Erasmus group and team.
Dancing on the rocks.
Yeah, we're dancing on the rocks. And internet we go.
That's a really good view. I love
The water turns that color because the refraction of the sun, okay? So if you look at your hand, not with this color.
Два колеса, одно тебе, другое мне. Велосипед, давай висеть, у нас все есть. Два колеса, одно тебе, другое мне. Велосипед, давай висеть.
Lucia, what are you doing?
I'm talking with my friends. Come on. My
Yes.
Portuguese
I-
friends.
You're Portuguese.
If you're going up, please be careful because the seagulls here are really wild.
No, we communicate with them. It's okay.
Oh, come on, they're not attacking. I almost died.
Don't worry.
I am almost dying.
Anastasia and I, we can
They're
speak
like,
to the seagulls, so it's okay.
They're
protecting
like
their
no.
Just run, please, guys, run! Fuck!
First, they are sitting, and then when you're walking near them, they just start to fly and like near your head around.
But we can talk to them, so it's okay. We're gonna go.
Fuck, it's ice here, we can run!
This experience. Well, for example, never before seagulls attacked me in my life.
They attacked me.
Yeah, but this is for me first time. Never ever. Later, Anastasia.
Later. Windy.
The wind is in my hair.
Yeah. Goodbye, eagle. It's the end of our trip. We are returning home. Look at them. Oh, I can make them closer. Good night, guys. Or see you tomorrow. Yeah. Ooh. Good night.